Finding a rental under 4,000 in Orange County is super competitive right now. Reason being, there's so many people coming here for job opportunities. I mean, we have companies like Microsoft, Google, and Salesforce that are attracting talent from all over the world. Now, I had a client recently put an offer in a rental home, and they had over 30 applications submitted in one single day. Now, the landlord and the listing agent had to shut the open house down, stop accepting applications because they were flooded with so much. Now, luckily, my introductory email for my tenant to the landlord was a single email with a single PDF file that had all the information that it needed. That put our application above everybody else's, one. But two, my constant communication was able to get him that rental home. Now, I am going to show you my strategy I use to get my clients into these rental homes. All right, so step one, go to yourorangecounty.com. And so it's located under how to rent a home under 4,000 in Orange County. And the first step is determine the rental home criteria. So what does that mean? You want to figure out how many beds you need, how many baths, the amenities that are really important to you, like garage, back patio, backyard, clubhouse, it's near trails. What's really important to most families is finding a great school district. So just figure all those things out. And then step two is gathering all your documents. So that means 3 months of bank statements, recent pay stubs, and your driver's license. I know that there are a lot of applications that have been rejected just because of the fact those were lacking. Now, number three is the fun part. You can start searching for the rental homes you want. And luckily here, you can click on the link and it could show you on my website, which is up to date and it's faster than Zillow, all the homes that are available right now in Orange County for 4,000. Now, you could scroll through this and search. If you don't find anything you like, you can also go to real estate, home buyers, property search, and then select certain cities that you are looking for. Like Lake Forest, let's do that. And then put in the maximum price of 4,000 and then select residential lease. Now you can select bedrooms, baths, square footage, anything you want and add that in. And then you just select search and it should populate all the results in that city right now. Okay. Now, once you've found the home, this is the most critical part, is creating that solid application. Now, typically, I recommend using RentSpree. The reason why is because it is an application that does everything. It has your application, but also does your full background check. And it comes in a single PDF file that I can combine with your bank statements, recent pay stubs, and driver's license. So it's just one single PDF in that introductory email, and that has been the difference maker. Because I'm so organized, I'm able to beat out a lot of the other agents out there that are trying to get their tenants in. Now, number five is submitting a strong offer. Now, that attaches to number four, is compiling that information into one single PDF, having a great introductory email, introducing myself, introducing you as the tenant to the landlord and the listing agent so they understand who they're about to do business with. So number six, staying ahead in the rental hunt. What does that mean for you? This is the time where I really do my work. I really try to make sure that I stay on top of the listing. I contact the landlord and I contact the listing agent so they understand who I am, so we can build some rapport and a level of trust. Now, my approach is different from other agents in Orange County because typically what they'll do is just submit the application and they'll ghost them and they'll just wait for a response. Me, persistence is the key. I make sure I communicate with both sides so they understand what's going on. I make sure the landlord and the listing agent understand that we are serious and the tenants are a great match with them. If you're interested in the list that I just covered or the home rentals under 4,000, I'll make sure the links are down below. Now, if you have any questions or if you're interested in working with me, call me anytime.